Fix Doom, Dark Ages error code 0x80073CF3 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Clear Microsoft Store cache. Corrupted cache files can prevent Doom, Dark Ages from updating, causing error 0x80073CF3. Fix 2. Launch the game from its exe file. Bypassing the Xbox app by launching directly from the game's executable can avoid the error. Locate the Doom, Dark Ages.exe file. You may need admin access. Double-click the .exe to launch the game. Check if the game runs without the error. If that didn't work, Fix 3. Launch via Microsoft Store instead of Xbox app. App conflicts can cause the error. Launching from the Microsoft Store might work better. Open the Microsoft Store, go to your library and find Doom, Dark Ages. Click Launch or Update if available. If successful, play the game from the store. Try launching from the Xbox app again later. If that didn't work, if launching from the Microsoft Store fails, try the Xbox app to bypass the conflict. If that didn't work, Fix 5. Repair the game installation. Corrupted game files can cause the Doom, Dark Ages install error 0x80073CF3. Repairing them can help. Right-click on the game and select Repair, then wait for the process to complete. Restart your computer and try launching the game. If that didn't work, Fix 6. Reinstall the game. If repairing doesn't work, reinstalling Doom, Dark Ages can resolve deeper file corruption.